Hi, boys and girls. We are going to be working on this paper that talks about insects. Can you say insects? Insects. Let's clap it out to see how many syllables it has. Insects. Let's do it again. Insects. It has 2 syllables or 2 parts. Okay, I want you to take either a marker or a highlighter or even your pencil, and I want you to carefully trace the word insects over the dotted lines. Then I want you to say the word insects. We're going to try to figure out what the word insects means. Go ahead, pause this video, and when you're ready to continue after you've traced this word, press play again. In our story, we looked at the page that had the word insects. And in the story, it talks about how insects, they sing, they make noises. Well, it says that one kind of insect makes the buzz buzz noise. On that page that we just saw before this page, did you see anything in the illustration that makes the buzz buzz noise? Do you remember? I think it was one of these. A bee. Bees make the buzz buzz. Can you say buzz buzz? Oh, it also said chirp chirp on the page. These insects are singing, making the chirp chirp noise. Do you know which one makes the chirp chirp noise? Yeah, grasshopper makes the chirp chirp noise. So we're going to write down the definition or what the word means for insects. So insects, I'm going to tell you what that means. Insects, and you're going to follow what I do. I will show you after I'm finished writing each word. Insects are small, and we don't need to put an uppercase because it already started the sentence for us. Small. Insects are small. And actually, if you look up here, insects are, we need to fix this. That should be an uppercase I for the beginning of our sentence. So I want you to put an uppercase I here. You can use your marker to trace over. That's a lowercase I. We need a capital there, which is an uppercase I. See how I made it an uppercase? So insects are small. So write that down, pause if you need more time, and then we're going to use our bridge space. Insects are small animals, and they're small animals. Go ahead, pause this if you need more time. Insects are small animals with, guess how many legs they all have. All insects have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Insects have 6 legs. So insects are small animals with 6 legs. So insects are small animals with 6 legs, and we're going to keep writing. Pause this if you need more time. You probably do. And then press play when you're ready. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and a Do you notice how each time I write a couple words, I go back and I reread my sentence to make sure I didn't miss any words? For instance, I will show you what I mean. Insects are small animals with 6 legs and a... I keep checking to make sure that what's in my brain and what I'm saying is actually what's coming out of my writing tool, which is my marker. You should be using a pencil for this writing. Sometimes what we think and say doesn't always come out on our writing tool. So I have to keep rereading to make sure that I'm writing what I'm thinking and saying. So insects are small animals with 6 legs and a... boop, 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 cross over my bridge. A hard... I'm going to have just enough room to cross over my bridge. Body, and then period to end my sentence. That tells us to stop and take a break. So insects are small animals with 6 legs and a hard body. So now we know what to look for. If you see a small animal with 6 legs and a hard body, it's probably an insect. If it has more than 6 legs, it's not an insect. Spiders are not an insect. They have, do you know how many legs a spider has? Not 6. They have 2 more than 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 2 more. 7, 8. Spiders have 8 legs. They are not insects. Pause this video if you need more time writing, and then press play when you're ready. Now what we're going to do is we're going to figure out, well, now we know they're animals, small animals with 6 legs and a hard body. Now we're going to figure out which one of these on our picture cards are examples of an insect. We're going to cut them out and we're going to glue them. So let me get my scissors. And I'm going to carefully cut on the dotted line. We're cutting out the picture cards, which also have labels, which is 1 or 2 words of text that tells us what the picture is. We need to find examples of insects. And now we know what to look for. We're going to look for how many legs? 6 legs and a hard body. It's going to be really hard to tell which ones have a hard body because these are just pictures that were taken with a camera. But I bet you've seen some of these in real life and can figure out which ones have hard bodies and which ones don't, and I will help you. Okay, so we're finding examples of insects. Let's look at the first one. Let's go to a butterfly. Does this butterfly have 6 legs? We know it's small. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, it has 6 legs. Now, these aren't legs right here. These are called antennae. Can you say antennae? Yeah, those are not legs. Those are the little antennae. You know how we do eye, insect, Those are the antennae that are on top of the head that help them feel. It's kind of like their hands. These right here are legs, and they have 6. And they're small. This part is hard. They are very delicate or fragile, but the bottom part is hard. Yeah. So that is an example of insects. So I'm going to glue that on, and you are going to glue that as well. And you can always color it after too. Pause the video if you need more time. Okay, let's look at this one right here. Do you know what that is? There's actually 3 of them. These are baby chicks. They're baby chickens. There's 3 of them. Well, I see 6 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So are these insects? No, because even though there's 6 legs in all, Each chick has only 1, 2. Each chick has 2 legs. Well, insects have 6 legs, and they're also hard. I don't know if you've ever seen or held a baby chick, but they're very soft. They are not hard. So this is not an example of an insect. You can throw this out. We don't want that on our page. Okay, you are going to complete the rest of this activity, and you're going to find the examples for insects. I can't wait to see what yours looks like. Make sure you take a picture and show me what it looks like, and we will continue the rest tomorrow. Great job!